artists, I hope you all are doing well today. So today we're gonna draw a bunny. I did a little step-by-step drawing guide for you so we can reference on this drawing. I'm gonna use a marker to draw, but when you draw, feel free to use a pencil, a pen, or whatever drawing supply you may have. So I felt like drawing on a half sheet of paper, so any size paper will be fine. I'm gonna draw first with the circle for the head. So I'm gonna draw a head right here. And then let's go ahead and draw the body. The body is kind of like an oval, right? So I'm gonna draw a little oval right here. And then the little feet. 1, 2. And then you can draw another feet right here if you like. It's kind of sitting down. And then the little bunny tail, which is kind of like a half circle, but kind of like a backwards C. And this is my favorite part for the bunny. They have 2 little ears, but I'm going to draw them pretty big because I love rabbit's ears. So it's kind of like a half C. And then from there, let's draw the eyes. The eyes is 2 dots. So 1, 2. And then the nose, we can do a triangle, an upside down triangle. And then I want this bunny to smile because he's really, really happy. Now let's draw some whiskers for the bunny. And there you have it. Here's our bunny. But our rabbit kind of looks boring, right? It's on a white sheet of paper. Where is the rabbit? Is it in space? Where is it? It's kind of lonely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some designs where the rabbit might be. Maybe some grass right here and some flowers, maybe some Easter eggs to make it colorful. Or maybe it's just sunny outside, or maybe it's rainy. Where's your bunny? So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video and try to find a place where this bunny might be. Alright, so I just finished my drawing. My bunny has a little friend right here because I didn't like how my bunny was by himself and I felt like he was kind of being lonely, so that's why I drew another friend. And it's nice and sunny with the clouds and the birds, and it's springtime, right? So I love to draw flowers. So I drew some flowers and some Easter eggs and make it really, really colorful. So when you do your drawing, think about, where is your bunny? Your bunny is not just sitting on a white sheet of paper, right? You need to find a home for your bunny. Is your bunny outside? Is he at your house? Are you playing with your bunny? Or maybe he's in outer space. So let's use our imagination to see where our bunny is. And I can't wait to see your drawing.